Monterey Car Week is always a stage for automotive elegance, and this year, Mercedes-Maybach has stolen the spotlight with one of its most opulent creations yet, the S680 Edition Emerald Isle. This ultra-exclusive flagship sedan is more than just a car. It's a rolling masterpiece inspired by the breathtaking beauty of California's coastal landscapes. From the moment you see it, the influence of Monterey's natural splendor is obvious. The S680 Emerald Isle features a two-tone exterior pairing Manufaktur Moonlight White Metallic on the lower body with Manufaktur Mid-Ireland Green Metallic on the upper section. Mercedes says the shimmering green hue pays tribute to the Monterey cypress trees, while the white represents the pristine sand of Pebble Beach. Together, they create a color combination that is both elegant and deeply symbolic. To complement the striking paintwork, the sedan wears chrome accents that shimmer in the sunlight and 21-inch champagne flute-forged wheels with a two-tone design. These intricate details set the stage for the sheer extravagance waiting inside. Step into the cabin, and you're surrounded by a sanctuary of luxury. The seats are wrapped in hand-stitched Manufaktur light brown Napa leather, while the headliner features black Napa leather with a diamond-quilted pattern. Every surface reflects meticulous craftsmanship, from the Manufaktur black piano lacquer flowing lines trim to the illuminated Edition Emerald Isle 1 of 25 badge that proudly sits on the center console. Even the floor mats are special, trimmed with light brown Napa leather piping and embroidered with the Mercedes-Maybach logo. Luxury extends beyond what you can see and touch. Mercedes has also engaged artisans to craft a bespoke fragrance exclusive to this edition. Released through the air balance system, it blends cedar, cypress, and sea salt, evoking the very landscapes that inspired the car. For passengers, the experience reaches another level with the Executive Rear Seat Package Plus. This transforms the back of the S680 into a private lounge, complete with two individual rear seats separated by a full-length center console. There are folding tray tables for work or dining, rear comfort pillows, a refrigerator, and even champagne flutes, because what's luxury without a toast on the move? Beneath the beauty lies a powerhouse of performance. The S680 Emerald Isle is equipped with a twin-turbocharged 6.0-liter 12 V12 engine producing 621 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. Mated to a 9-speed automatic and an all-wheel drive system, this 5,346-pound sedan can sprint from 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds. It's the kind of effortless power that defines the Maybach experience: smooth, commanding, and utterly refined. Exclusivity is part of the allure. Only 25 units of the Edition Emerald Isle will be available in the United States, with deliveries beginning this fall. While pricing hasn't been officially announced, the standard S680 already starts at $240,500, so this bespoke edition will undoubtedly carry an even more elite price tag. Adding to the correctability, each car comes with a handcrafted gift box from the Manufaktur studio. Wrapped in light brown Napa leather, it houses 2 keys and a bottle of the custom fragrance, a final touch of artistry for owners lucky enough to secure one of these rare sedans. The Mercedes-Maybach S680 Edition Emerald Isle isn't just transportation. It's a statement of wealth, taste, and craftsmanship. For those fortunate enough to experience it, this is automotive luxury at its most refined.